Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a really simple coffee scrub. This is something that one of my subscribers recommended that I do, and it's something that I have tried out before. It's pretty simple, super easy, so I was like, why not? You know, it contains coffee, which helps to remove cellulites and remove dead skin cells. Coconut oil, amazing moisturizer for really dry skin. You can substitute coconut oil if you're allergic to it, but in this recipe I'm going to be using coconut oil. My recipe also contains lemon peel powder, which helps to really brighten the skin. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you in my next one. Take care. Okay, so for this recipe you're going to need 4 tablespoons of ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of lemon peel powder. The coffee has to be the ground one. It cannot be just instant coffee, because that will just dissolve. You need it to be gritty so it can actually exfoliate your skin. So for the lemon peel powder, I basically just dried out the skin of lemon, and then I grounded it into like a fine powder. You can easily make your own, or you can buy whatever is easier for you. So all I'm going to do is combine the 3 ingredients and mix it together, and you're good to go. Once it's all well mixed in, just transfer it into a container. I was able to make 100 ml worth, so if you want to make more, you can obviously increase the quantity of the raw materials that I use. But this stuff is amazing. It really works well for your skin. I don't make it as often as I should, because sometimes I just you know, don't have enough time to exfoliate. So but yeah, if you have the capacity to do it, definitely give it a go, because it really helps. So here I'm just showing you how I use it. So basically I wet my skin and then I rub it into my skin. It makes your skin feel so soft. If you're observant, you will notice that there's a massive difference after you've rubbed this into your skin. So generally after I rub this into my skin, I'll go ahead and, like, you know, shower as I normally would, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you subscribe guys, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and I shall see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.